Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you 48 sentences using one single verb. In the same way, I am going to use 5 verbs and make it into 240 sentences. When you practice 240 sentences, your vocal cords will open and the words will come out freely from your mouth. You will learn the correct pronunciation, you will learn the neutral accent. You will gain some confidence to ask and answer questions in any tense they may ask you or in any tense that you may ask someone. Let's start with irritate. Sentence is she irritates others. She doesn't irritate others. Does she irritate others? Doesn't she irritate others? She irritated others. She didn't irritate others. Did she irritate others? Didn't she irritate others? She will irritate others. She won't irritate others. Will she irritate others? Won't she irritate others? She is irritating others. She isn't irritating others. Is she irritating others? Isn't she irritating others? She was irritating others. She wasn't irritating others. Was she irritating others? Wasn't she irritating others? She will be irritating others. She won't be irritating others. Will she be irritating others? Won't she be irritating others? She has irritated others. She hasn't irritated others. Has she irritated others? Hasn't she irritated others? She had irritated others. She hadn't irritated others. Had she irritated others? Hadn't she irritated others? She will have irritated others. She won't have irritated others. Will she have irritated others? Won't she have irritated others? She has been irritating others. She hasn't been irritating others. Has she been irritating others? Hasn't she been irritating others? She had been irritating others. She hadn't been irritating others. Had she been irritating others? Hadn't she been irritating others? She will have been irritating others. She won't have been irritating others. Will she have been irritating others? Won't she have been irritating others? Let's go to the next one. The next one is jump. Sentence is we jump into rivers. We jump into rivers. We don't jump into rivers. Do you jump into rivers? Don't you jump into rivers? We jumped into rivers. We didn't jump into rivers. Did you jump into rivers? Didn't you jump into rivers? We will jump into rivers. We won't jump into rivers. Will you jump into rivers? Won't you jump into rivers? We are jumping into rivers. We aren't jumping into rivers. Are you jumping into rivers? Aren't you jumping into rivers? We were jumping into rivers. We weren't jumping into rivers. Were you jumping into rivers? Weren't you jumping into rivers? We will be jumping into rivers. We won't be jumping into rivers. Will you be jumping into rivers? Won't you be jumping into rivers? We have jumped into rivers. We haven't jumped into rivers. Have you jumped into rivers? Haven't you jumped into rivers? We had jumped into rivers. We hadn't jumped into rivers. Had you jumped into rivers? Hadn't you jumped into rivers? We will have jumped into rivers. We won't have jumped into rivers. Will you have jumped into rivers? Won't you have jumped into rivers? We have been jumping into rivers. We haven't been jumping into rivers. Have you been jumping into rivers? Haven't you been jumping into rivers? We had been jumping into rivers. We hadn't been jumping into rivers. Had you been jumping into rivers? Hadn't you been jumping into rivers? We will have been jumping into rivers. We won't have been jumping into rivers. Will you have been jumping into rivers? Won't you have been jumping into rivers? Okay, the next verb is join. J-O-I-N, join. The verb sentence is You join wires. You don't join wires. Do I join wires? Don't I join wires? You joined wires. You didn't join wires. Did I join wires? Didn't I join wires? You will join wires. You won't join wires. Will I join wires? Won't I join wires? You are joining wires. You aren't joining wires. Am I joining wires? Amn't I joining wires? You were joining wires. You weren't joining wires. Was I joining wires? Wasn't I joining wires? You will be joining wires. You won't be joining wires. Will I be joining wires? Won't I be joining wires? You have joined wires. You haven't joined wires. Have I joined wires? Haven't I joined wires? You will have joined wires. You won't have joined wires. Will I have joined wires? Won't I have joined wires? You have been joining wires. You haven't been joining wires. Have I been joining wires? Haven't I been joining wires? You had been joining wires. You hadn't been joining wires. Had I been joining wires? Hadn't I been joining wires? You will have been joining wires. You won't have been joining wires. Will I have been joining wires? Won't I have been joining wires? Let's go to the next one. Joke. They joke in parties. They don't joke in parties. Do they joke in parties? Don't they joke in parties? They joked in parties. They didn't joke in parties. Did they joke in parties? Didn't they joke in parties? They will joke in parties. They won't joke in parties. Will they joke in parties? Won't they joke in parties? They are joking in parties. They aren't joking in parties. Are they joking in parties? Aren't they joking in parties? They were joking in parties. They weren't joking in parties. Were they joking in parties? Weren't they joking in parties? They will be joking in parties. They won't be joking in parties. Will they be joking in parties? Won't they be joking in parties? They have joked in parties. They haven't joked in parties. Have they joked in parties? Haven't they joked in parties? They had joked in parties. They hadn't joked in parties. Had they joked in parties? Hadn't they joked in parties? They will have joked in parties. They won't have joked in parties. Will they have joked in parties? Won't they have joked in parties? They have been joking in parties. They haven't been joking in parties. Have they been joking in parties? Haven't they been joking in parties? They had been joking in parties. They hadn't been joking in parties. Had they been joking in parties? Hadn't they been joking in parties? They will have been joking in parties. They won't have been joking in parties. Will they have been joking in parties? Won't they have been joking in parties? Now coming to the last verb. The last verb is jam. J-A-M. Okay. The sentence is cattle jam traffic. Cattle don't jam traffic. Do cattle jam traffic? Don't cattle jam traffic? Cattle jammed traffic. Cattle didn't jam traffic. Did cattle jam traffic? Didn't cattle jam traffic? Cattle will jam traffic. Cattle won't jam traffic. Will cattle jam traffic? Won't cattle jam traffic? Cattle are jamming traffic. Cattle aren't jamming traffic. Are cattle jamming traffic? Aren't cattle jamming traffic? Cattle were jamming traffic. Cattle weren't jamming traffic. Were cattle jamming traffic? Weren't cattle jamming traffic? Cattle will be jamming traffic. Cattle won't be jamming traffic. Will cattle be jamming traffic? Won't cattle be jamming traffic? Cattle have jammed traffic. Cattle haven't jammed traffic. Have cattle jammed traffic? Haven't cattle jammed traffic? Cattle had jammed traffic. Cattle hadn't jammed traffic. Had cattle jammed traffic? Hadn't cattle jammed traffic? Cattle will have jammed traffic. Cattle won't have jammed traffic. Will cattle have jammed traffic? Won't cattle have jammed traffic? Cattle have been jamming traffic. Cattle haven't been jamming traffic. Have cattle been jamming traffic? Haven't cattle been jamming traffic? Cattle had been jamming traffic. Cattle hadn't been jamming traffic. Had cattle been jamming traffic? Hadn't cattle been jamming traffic? Cattle will have been jamming traffic. Cattle won't have been jamming traffic. Will cattle have been jamming traffic? Won't cattle have been jamming traffic? In my next video, I'm going to take another 5 words, and with each verb, I'm going to make 48 sentences, totaling about 240 sentences. Friends, please keep clicking on different videos so that you will get a feel of it, and so that your vocal cords will open and the words will come out freely from your mouth. You need constant practice till you get that kind of confidence to ask and answer questions. Thank you. Friends, you may subscribe to my channel in YouTube. To subscribe, please press here. Follow me on Twitter by clicking here. Want to follow me on Facebook? Click here to like my page.